Question number 31, the grading questions actually. So the first question is horsepower and watts are units of measure of power. They are directly proportional such that 5 horsepower is equal to 3730 watts. How much power in watts is equal to 2 horsepower? So the best way of solving it is the proportion way, like direct proportion. So this is horsepower and this is watts. 5 horsepower means 3730. And 2 horsepower means X. Because they are direct proportional, so we'll put a cross of 5x is equal to 2 times 3730 and x is equal to 2 times 3730 divided by 5. That's it. Let's find it out. The answer is 2 times 3730 divided by 5. That's 1492. 1492 watts. Okay. Question 32. The painting The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh is rectangular in shape with height 29 inches and width 36.25 inches. If a reproduction was made where each dimension is one third the corresponding original dimension, what's the height of the reproduction in inches? So height is actually 29. You are making it one third. So that's 29 times 1 over 3. That is 29 over 3. That's your answer. You can convert it into decimal first. It's the best answer. 29 divided by 3. That will be 3 9.666 or 9.67. Okay. But this is the best answer. 29 over 3. Question 33. O on PS above PS, the whole line segment. PQRS. This piece is equal to this piece. What's the length of PS? Total length then. But this x minus 1 is equal to this 3x minus 1. So that will be 3x minus x is equal to 7 plus 1. 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. Now this part is 4 minus 1. This is 4 and this is 3 times 4 minus 7. Okay. So that means 4 minus 1 is 3 plus this part is 4x and this part is 3 4s are 12 minus 7, that is 5. So this is 12. Okay, so the total length is 12. Wait, I made a mistake here. This is minus 1. Let's go back a little. Here, it's 7 minus 1. It's 6 equal to 2x. So x is equal to 3, not 4. So this is 3 minus. That's 2. Plus this is x, this is 3. Plus 3. And this is 3 times 3 minus 7. 9 minus 7. That's 2. That's 7. The whole length of PS is 7. Okay. So this 2 is PQ. And this is QR3. And this is RS. Well, it's PS collective. That is 7. The answer is 7. 34. the xy plane, the point 25 lies on the graph of the function. F is this fx k minus x square, or y is equal to k minus x square. Same thing. This is x, this is y. 25 is its point. K is a constant. What's the value of k? All you need to do is put y is 5, x is 2, that is 5 is equal to k minus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. So k is 9. Okay? 35. A landscaper is designing a rectangular garden. The length of the garden is to be 5 feet longer than the width. The length is 5 feet more than width. So the area of garden will be 104 square feet. Area is 104. What will be the length in feet of the garden? So the two values you will multiply here should give you a product of 104 and should be 5 apart. Like length should be 5 more than the width. So if I take 10 and 15, that is 150. So no, that's not the answer. So we have to come a bit lower value. So if I make it 9 and this 14, the difference is again 5. The product will be 9 times 14 is 126. Not yet, it's 104. You have to go down still. So take it 8 and take this 13. The difference is 5. Boom, 13 8s are 104. So the length is 13 and the width is 5 less. That is 8. So the length is 5 more than the width. Okay. So this is how you do this type of question. So the length is 13. The answer is 13 in this case. If you want to make an equation like this is L, this is W, you will write L W plus 5 and make a quadratic equation. Then again you have to break the middle term, factorize it in the end, and you have to find out two values whose sum is who should be 5 apart, difference should be 5 and whose product should be 104. So here I did the same, the difference should be 5 and the product should be 104. So I found those two values. Okay, this is better way of doing it. The other way what I'm talking about is this. Area is 104. Area is length into width, because length is W plus 5. So this is W squared plus 5W minus 100. See, you have to factorize it now. So the difference should be 5, the sum should be 5, and the product should be 104. So this is hectic. Like you have to go the whole way. Or if you can't find this value, you can go for the quadratic formula. Or in your graphing calculator, you can plug in the values of A, B, C and find the two values. So your two values will be 13 and 8. So 13 is the length actually, the bigger value. Okay, that's it.